I try to learn from them, but it takes time and it's difficult. Let's see if I can step by step get closer to them, but it's not my target. If my target was to win, it would be a big frustration. Marquez completed 58 laps on Monday in Qatar and was just over 9/10 shy of the factory Ducati of Francesco Bagnaia at the top of the timesheets. The 8-time Grand Prix world champion says he feels more free on the GP23 Ducati, but admits his instinct is still to ride the circuit like he is on a Honda. I mean, here from beginning I feel more free on the bike, with more confidence, playing more with the body, and that was already an improvement, he added. It's true that still I will arrive at circuits, riding one type of bike for 11 years, my instinct is that one. But step by step I need to change. I worked on myself during all the day, and now in the last part of the day we started to work on the setup. But first of all I was just working on my performance, on my riding style, and I started to feel better and better. So, let's see if tomorrow we can make another step. Marquez was one of the biggest attractions during the first pre-season test at Sepang, where he finished with the 6th quickest time of the 3 days of running. The Spaniard was hindered by some technical issues that cost him track time, and he admitted he was still riding the Ducati the same way he rode his Honda, claiming he was not as quick as Martin or Ducati's reigning world champion Francesco Bagnaia. Last year's runner-up Martin reckons, however, that Marquez could be in the fight to win the season opener. Asked if Marquez was faster or slower than expected during the test, Martin said, "He's where I expected, so he will be really close and ready maybe for the victory in Qatar." Pramac rider Martin lost out to Bagnaia for the 2023 title after an intense battle towards the end of the season in which the Spaniard stayed in contention until the final round. Martin appeared to keep his momentum going as the Sepang test concluded, finishing second quickest overall, just 0.172s behind Bagnaia.